Remove the 4 side cover bolts with a 4mm hex wrench from both sides of the scooter and remove the side covers. Loosen the brake cable pinch nut with a 10mm open-end wrench. Using an 8mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the brake arm housing nut and bolt. Loosen the rear axle nuts with two 13mm wrenches. Slide the drive belt off of the rear wheel pulley and remove wheel assembly from the frame. Remove axle hardware. Note the order and location of the washers and spacers during removal. Reinsert axle, brake, and axle hardware onto the replacement wheel and reinsert wheel assembly back into the frame. Slide the drive belt back onto the rear wheel pulley. Reinstall the brake arm housing nut and bolt, but do not tighten. Adjust the belt tension and tighten the axle nuts with two 13mm wrenches. Tighten the brake arm housing nut and bolt with a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm wrench. Adjust the brake cable and tighten the brake cable pinch nut with a 10mm open-end wrench. Replace left and right side covers and hardware with a 4mm hex wrench. Do not over-tighten these bolts.